Welcome back to the class on communication network. So, in this session, we are going to see the network models. So, here the first thing is related to the model. First, we should know what is layer. We use the concept of layers in our daily life. Okay. So, here layer is a step-by-step procedure. So that is layer. So if you are having number of layers in any process means step-by-step procedure. So even when we are considering a sending of letter to a friend, so there should be some steps. So first the sender, so that is myself. I have to write the letter, I have to post it, and the postman has to take the letter from the box and he should identify the location of that, and finally he has to give the letter to the particular receiver. Okay, so so in between sending a letter and receiving a letter, there are some standard procedure or steps. So these steps are named as some layers. So in our network model we are having several layers. So what is the name of the model? So it's not possible to say randomly is a model. So our model should be recognized or standardized. It should be accepted by some organization, standards organizations, that is International Standard Organization is a multinational body. Under that, the name of the model is Open Systems Interconnection Model. So OSI model. ISO is the organization. It accepts the model named as OSI, that is Open System Interconnection. So simply we are saying that it is ISO OSI model. The layers consist are 7 layers. Okay, so the OSI model having 7 layers. So for our convenience and do not exchange or the say in random manner, we should always say the layers in a specific order. So normally start from the bottom: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and finally application layer. These are all the 7 layers. So please always read from the bottom. So very basic one is very nearer to us is our physical structure. So physical layer. Second thing, data link. Next, network. Next, transport, session, presentation, and finally application. So these are all the 7 layers available in OSI model. Okay, so in one single step, okay, that is to transfer the information from A to B. A having